In this video I will demonstrate how to add grid overlays on top of maps. First we go to the Map Manager, then we select plus, Special Offline Maps, Grid. Now in the list of maps a new entry has been created and named Grid. We click on this, select Properties, and here we can select the projection. Let's select the military grid projection, apply. Okay, now we show the map by appending it, and as we can see, the military grid overlay is generated. Let's take another grid. Select the WGS, apply. Now we see a grid with latitude and longitude coordinates.